Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a user of the 7-zip software to make compressed archives of files, or just to compress a file, the 7-zip has a huge security flaw that needs to be fixed. So you have to download the latest version on their website. So I'm going to share this website. This is where you have the official 7-zip software and where you download the latest version that has its bugs fixed. It is extremely important. Apparently, there's a lot of people using an older version, and there's a risk of getting hacked because if you run into a malicious zip file and you try to decompress the file, what's going to happen is that you're going to hit a malware that can actually get into your PC. So to fix this, you have to have the latest version. Latest version does not have that problem. So if you encounter a malicious zip file, it will not infect. It won't be able to do its job. So I know this is one of the popular archivers, and this is important to actually fix and have the latest version. So the link to the download page is in the description below. Download the latest file immediately, the latest 7-zip. Make sure you update, and that will keep you safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.